Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can easily create a full website using just a simple text prompt. We'll be using a powerful tool called Readdy.ai. The link is available in the video description. So let's dive in. First, click the link in the description and create your account. Then, choose what kind of project you want to create, whether it's a website or a web application. After that, enter your project name and hit the Create button. Once you log in, you'll see a dashboard like this. Right at the top, there's a prompt box where you can start creating your website. Down below, we have different templates that you can try it out. For example, if I want to build a website for a travel agency, I'll write a detailed prompt like, "Create a modern responsive travel agency website." After writing the prompt, simply press the Generate button. Readdy will now begin building your website. This process may take a minute or two, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll see your website fully generated, complete with features like a dashboard, top destination section, trip plans, testimonials, and contact details. It looks professional and is ready to be customized further. Now, if you want to personalize your website, you can easily do that using the Selector button. Let's say I want to change an image. I'll click on the Selector tool, choose the image I want to update, and then hit the Image button. From here, I can replace the image, remove its background, or even generate a new one using AI. For example, if I want to add birds in the sky, I just type that into the prompt and hit the Generate Background button. In a few seconds, the new background will be ready. If I like it, I hit Apply, and it's done. You can also change any text the same way. Just click the selector, choose the text, press the Text button, make your changes. For example, I can replace a heading with Top Features, and hit Save. The update appears instantly. Readdy.ai also keeps track of your versions, so you can switch between different edits easily. Version 1, 2, 3, and so on. Everything is saved. Now, let's look at the form section where users can enter their trip details. For example, they can fill in their full name, phone number, email address, and more. The great thing is, this entire form is fully editable. Just click on the Selector button, choose any field you want, and customize it as needed. You can even add a brand new form if you like. Want to collect data for free? No problem, just insert the form and click Save. If you want to add a clickable link, it's super easy. Click the Link button, select a page, and insert your new link. You can also add a custom message here. Once everything's ready, simply hit the Send Message button, and you're done. One of the most powerful features is the ability to convert an image into a video. Just click on an image in the Hero section, go to the Image menu, and select the Generate Video option. Once it's created, hit Apply and your static image will now become a dynamic video element. All done with a few clicks. Once your website is ready, publishing it is super simple. Just click the Publish button, then enter your domain name. For example, I'll type in my domain here. After that, you'll need to add the necessary DNS records shown below to your domain settings. Once that's done, hit Publish again, and your website will go live. And don't forget, you can still edit your form section or add new ones before publishing. It's all super easy with Readdy. If you ever need help, you can always click the Help Document button for step-by-step guidance. If you want to build a new website, simply click on the New Project button. Next, you'll be asked to enter a topic. Let's say I want to create a professional health management website. I'll type in that prompt and hit the Generate button. Within seconds, Readdy.ai will start building your website, and just like that, your new site will be ready. Once the website is generated, you can fully customize it. You can switch between PC view and mobile view, to see how your site looks on different devices. There's also a full preview option, so you can review everything before going live. In simple words, Readdy.ai makes it super easy to create and edit websites. You can change everything, from text and images to layout and design. And when your website is ready, just click the Publish button to go live. The link to try it out is in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.